Walter. There we go. This is Walter. He's up for adoption through the Iowa City Animal Care and Adoption Center. And he is about 1.5 years old, neutered male. He is a gray tabby with some bullseye markings. Hi, Walter. And this is Sylvia. She is probably, I think, about 1 year old, spayed female. Sylvia is also up for adoption. Both of these cats get along very well with other cats. I also believe they could live with dogs, and I have kind of dog tested them a little bit. I think they just need a little time to adjust to a dog household. They're very easygoing with other kitties. They've lived in a colony in our cat room with other cats. I think they'd both be exceptional with children. They're extremely tolerant of handling. They're also very used to having their nails trimmed. They use their scratching post. They use their litter boxes. Huh, guys? You a good boy, Walt? Yeah, look how handsome. And this is little dainty petite Sylvia. Sylvie. Let's see if we can get you guys to play. Okay. Here's a good boy. Sylvie gonna play with that? There she is. Good job, guys. They're also very affectionate, people-oriented cats. They are not independent by any means in terms of their interactions with people. They love to sit and cuddle with you while you're reading and be petted, and they are definitely lap kitties. Uh-oh, Walter's on the takedown.